In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when a zip file is not extracting on Windows. First, open the folder where your zip file is saved. Select the zip file, click on Extract All, and then click Extract. This will extract your zip file. You can also do the same by right-clicking on the file, selecting Extract All, and then clicking Extract. But if it's not extracting or you don't have this built-in extractor feature, you can use WinRAR. Go to your browser, search for WinRAR download, open the official WinRAR website, then download and install it. You can also download and install 7-zip, which does the same job. To get 7-zip, go to your browser and search for 7-zip download. Open the official 7-zip website, download the setup file, and install it. After installing, right-click on your zip file, choose WinRAR, then Extract Files, and your files will be extracted instantly. If you've installed 7-zip, right-click on the file, click Show More Options, go to 7-zip, and select Extract Files. A new folder will be created. Open it to view your extracted files. That's it. Now you know how to easily extract zip files on Windows 10 or 11 using either 7-zip or WinRAR. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.